Alright, in this video I'm going to talk about single product campaign. After a while, after you start receiving conversions, you can go and scale the products that brings some sales. We can scale a product that received at least three conversions. So I'm going here this period and I apply. I have 7 conversions. This one I have 4, which is this one here. So I will just attempt to take this one here. And in a second, I can open it in another tab or just go and copy this one here. So I have it here. This is the code. Now I will go back. So if I see here, I have 93 clicks. Click-through rate is very low. I have to work on the image. This is the cost, and conversion rate is 10%. That's great. Cool. This is good result. So what I have to do right now is to go and create a new campaign. So shopping campaigns, I will create a single product campaign. Sales, shopping, country, US. Then I go with standard, continue. Here, let's name it for now, single product campaign, and we'll rename it later. You have 2 options here, either to choose manual CPC or maximize clicks. I prefer to start with maximize clicks, but since I received some more than 3 conversions, I will go with CPC and enhanced CPC. This one will learns from the past conversions, then it's try to maximize the conversions. But the budgets, I make $10 a day. I can make 20 just to test. I will make it high since the other campaign is losing low. I use high, so the other one will not receive conversions or impressions. Here it will start this campaign as high priority. Okay, United States, but before I go there, I go here, open this setting, then here, then filter, then I will use item ID. I have already copied this one here. You can get it from here, item ID. Then it will be a single product campaign. Continue. Product group of X. I will be like 0.80, so it will be like 50 US dollar, cent US dollars. Yeah. Okay, save, and here we are. Now we have a single product campaign. What do we call it? Single PC. You can go and rename the campaign if you want. I will rename it later. I just want to show how to make a single product campaign when you want to scale a specific product. So that's it for this video.